Good morning, guys. How's it going? Just logging in here real quick. Hope you guys are all doing great this morning. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic on this beautiful Wednesday morning here. Now I'm going to go to the bathroom really quick. While everyone's joining, I'll be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. Alrighty, now, hopefully you guys are all good. So, basically, I just posted a video a little bit ago, probably a couple minutes before my live, kind of explaining to you guys what's going on with some of the stocks that you think is really good. They've gone down a whole bunch, and you're just like, what the heck happened? Stick to your plan, guys. Stick to your plan. These people can't do this forever. I almost guarantee it. Yep, you got to be patient, guys. Yeah, it's not going the way. TYME going to hit 80 cents. Well, it could. I don't think it will. But, hey, if it does, good buying opportunity. But I don't think that's going to happen. TYME currently at $2 near support. TYME still looking pretty good to me. I still love the company. If it goes down 5% today, if it goes down 6% today, still going to love the company. I'm just letting you guys know that. It's not at $1.93. It's actually at $2. I love NEO. I think NEO's in a great spot right now, personally. NEO, their quarter one deliveries are going to be great. I think you already saw the bottom on NEO yesterday. I love Draftkings. $100 price target by the end of the NBA season. GSAT, I like GSAT. Make sure to check out my video. Kind of, if you don't know what shorting stocks is and stuff, like why some stocks are going down, watch my video. It kind of explains it a little bit. And in other words, we're at war. We're at war, guys. We're at war, the common person against the rich people, and they can't do it forever. They don't have unlimited money. So, almost, but they don't. Oh, I'm not saying that I think it's going to go down today. I'm just saying hypothetically, that's what's going on. That's why it's been, some people have bought a little bit higher, and they're like, man, all my stocks are down. What's going on? I just got in the market. What's happening? And it's just kind of a little explanation for you guys. I'm doing great. Sens, I'm staying away. TYME, it's a great stock. It's going to be a great company. They have a great future in front of it. They have a great mission, and I believe in it fully. ATMC, staying away. I like UWMC. I love Apple. NNDM looking good to me. TYME, you just have to be patient. It's not a stock that I can say, oh, it's going to boom on this specific day at this specific time, because the whole market's being manipulated right now, and it's making it look a lot worse than it really is. Good morning. Yeah, Ford is by. What's going on, Coach Nova? Hope you guys are doing good. TYME need news, we ain't getting paid. You're right. When the news comes, we're going to get paid. Just got to wait for it. Oh, yeah. Clover's not a buy under 9 in my opinion. Open, staying away. QS, I love QS. I think it's a good long-term hold. TRXC, I like it long-term. UWMC, I see it going about $15. I don't think we're going to see more of a Red Sea. I think the market correction is over, and I think we saw the worst of it last week. This is just kind of a little scare tactic to try to make you think that it's going to go down as much as it did before. I don't think it's going to happen. But if it does, I just want to let you guys know, I'll be here. I'll be talking to you guys. I'll be helping you guys. And the best situation in any case, if that ever happens, is to stick to your plan, because you saw how quickly the market rebounded before When they drop it again, it's going to do the exact same thing. That's what the stock market does. It goes up, it goes down some more, down, up, down, up. Dogecoin staying away. XL, I love XL. XL is doing fantastic right now. I called it a while ago. Been saying it's a great stock for a while. It's at $16.92 today. Looking pretty good. Yeah, NEO. So the reason why NEO went down is because they did not do as well earnings-wise. The reason why they didn't do as well earning-wise is because they spent more money to build charging stations to be able to expand their business and make their business model better. And so when you put more money into your business to try to make it better and bigger long-term, it's going to cost a little bit more money, and that's why their EPS did not do very well. I'm holding TRXC and FDA approved. Yep, TRXC is a great stock. Lemonade got crushed yesterday. You're right. It did. That's short sellers for you, I'm telling you. Lemonade's a great stock. It's a great stock. If you own it, don't make the recent dump make you think you're in the wrong one. It's your birthday today? Well, happy birthday, my dude. NEO's at a really good buy spot right now. Gene, I love Gene. Gene. It's a good stock. INUV, I like it. DNN, good long term, but not a short term stock by any means. I like the ETF Buzz. I think it has some tremendous potential really early in its lifespan. You know, you got to get in those ETFs when it's early, right before they pop, and I feel like that's a really good candidate. Inc. W, staying away. PLTR, I like it. ITRM, believe it or not, I have a price target of $50 in the next few years. Yeah, I know, $50. It's currently at $1.68, so be on the watch. OCGN, nice. Tesla, I know it's a common stock, but I love Tesla. Tesla over the long term is going to be fantastic. It's been dipping. When you see a stock like Tesla dip like it is right now because of the short sellers, you got to jump on it. UAVs, like it. Long term. PLTR, love it long term. Upstart, I love Upstart. The price target of 50 is ITRM. It's at $1.68. Long-term stock. It's not going to get to 50 next week. It's not going to get to 50 next month. Not in the next 3 months. Not in the next 6 months. But over the long term, I think it's going to have a great time. Naked, staying away. It's going to be a good day. Yep. Time. I like Time. It's sitting at $2. Sitting pretty even at support level right now. The support level is sitting at $1.98. So watch that level. XL, I like XL. XL Fleet's at $16.85. I've been saying time and time again, this stock is way undervalued and it is way underrated. It's going to be a great stock going into the future. I just want to remind you guys, I do have class today right after my live stream. So at exactly 9:30, we're going to be headed off this live stream here. Oh yeah, I can make an ITRM video. I haven't made that video yet. You're right. Good call about that. I'll make sure to make one today. UWVM, staying away. Unity Software. I love Unity Software. You got to hold on to it. WSC, I like it. SPY, personally, the best long-term investment ever by book, but I'm staying away from it. I think there's a lot of value traps in the SPY right now. CTRM, staying away. Sundial, staying away. Mara, staying away. Why am I in college? I'm in college because I learned something new about business every single day in college. A lot of people say, Joey, why are you wasting your money? Why are you in college? Why are you doing this? I learned so much stuff in the business college that I wouldn't have known that I'd be able to apply to normal business. My main major is marketing, and then also a minor in advertising and public relations. So it really helps me with my TikToks, being able to I'm in a professional selling class right now, and we actually learned about someone was trying to explain how to sell stocks, right? How to pitch stocks to people, and I do that every single day on my TikTok, right? And so there's a lot of things that you can learn in college and the business school that you can apply to your normal everyday life. There's a lot of things that they teach you in the business school that you wouldn't have known if you didn't go to school. My price target for Ford is $20. ITRM, I love ITRM. DID, staying away. ZNOG, staying away. It's a good one, but I'm staying away on that one. How much money do you make off your TikTok videos? So I don't make a bunch of money off my TikTok videos. Right now I'm kind of in the beginning stages, right? of trying to make my own brand, kind of, be the next big thing, right? So right now, probably my creator fund, I have about $350, and not too much, but I get a lot of different revenue streams. Like I get the live gifts that you guys give me on here. I get people that buy the Stock Forge subscription. I get paid through that, and it's just slowly getting a bunch of revenue streams here and there. It's off to a really good start, and I'm really happy where we're able to be. Transaction cost, what's the ticker? Work, Slack. I love Slack. I think Slack's going to be great, but they were acquired by CTRM. I think it's capped out. A while ago, I was recommending Slack, but personally, I wouldn't recommend it right now. NNDM, I love it. I have 6 shares. HCMC staying away. ARK ETF, one of the best long-term stocks you can get. WSC, I like it. CCIB, great buying point. C3AI, good buy point. AGTC. Ooh, looks pretty good. It looks good to me. AGTC. Put that on my watch list. Good shit. What's going on with NEO? Like I said, they missed earnings. It's going down. Scare people to get out. Because their deliveries in quarter one is going to be fantastic. That is ITRM. KMPH, you should sell it as soon as you can. TYME is now below your stop loss. I'm sorry to hear that. That's why I don't set a stop loss for stocks like TYME. I'm sorry to hear that, man. That sucks. I do see 550 with a phase 2-3 result. They already had the phase 2 results. That came out a while ago. They're just waiting on the stage 3 results. That's when they really get into it. UWMC is booming. Oh yeah, UWMC, it will get its time. Biggest SPAC deal in the game this year. Was shorted a bunch. I have 2 friends that work there, and I hope they're getting some bonus pay when their stock going up in stocks. That would be great for them. FUV staying away. MVIS, I love MVIS. ZNOG, yep. 14,000 shares of ZNOG, wow. That's a lot. Good luck to you, man. SOS, personally, I'm staying away from SOS. It's something that I don't really know a lot about. Something I don't want to put my money into. Got XL yesterday morning. Thanks, brother. Love to see it. Love it. Love it. Congratulations. Way better buying price than me. Because of the short sellers, but I'm not selling shit. SCYX, I love SCYX. I have a price target of $30 by the end of the year. KMPH, even though they're going up right now because they got the FDA approval. Because they got the FDA approval, it doesn't mean it's going to go up 100, 200, 300, 400, 500%. It's going to have a pretty good spike and then go down really, really hard. Rocket Mortgage, I love hearing that. Everyone's like, Joey, why are you so big on Rocket? Why do you have Rocket? Why are you talking about Rocket? Told you. Rocket Mortgage, great stock over the long term. SOS staying away. Thank you so much, Jeff. I appreciate it. DNM price target. I don't have a price target for DNM. More of a long-term hold. Thank you so much, Jeff. Jeff, the man with the fire this morning. Let's get it. How long you've been investing? I've been interested in investing in the stock market and basically any investment I can get my hands on since I was about 12 years old. It's always came to me. I love it. Thank you so much, Irish. I appreciate it. ARTL. Yeah, I would stay away from it, personally. Too risky for me. Why do you not like Riot? Because Riot owns cryptocurrency. And if you own a stock that owns cryptocurrency, you're doing something wrong because you can just buy cryptocurrency yourself and get a better return. They just take everyone's money that invests in it, invests in the cryptocurrency, and gives them a portion of what they're making. Why just not own your own cryptocurrency? You know what I mean? I think right now is a perfect time to average on TYME. People are going to call me crazy. People are going to say, oh, this guy has no idea what he's talking about. He's buying a pump and dump stock, blah, 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 blah. TYME is not a pump and dump stock. It's a great company. It's sitting at $1.99 right now. and people were laughing at me when I said to buy it at 176, and it went up to 492, and then it's been going back down ever since. But let me tell you, TYME will have its time, and everyone who owns it will be tremendously rewarded, and we will be all very happy. A ticker? Because I look at the stock market and think about the stock market all day long. So I really do research in the morning every single day when I wake up. I wake up about 5:30, 6 in the morning, and I absolutely grind it out. My brain thinks stocks 24/7. I'm dyslexic. My brain works a little bit different than the normal person. I know it's really hard to kind of be like, oh yeah, this guy is stock brain, you know, like it's true. I'm dyslexic. Basically, stocks, investing, and making better content for you guys is everything that goes in my brain. When I'm in class, I'm thinking, oh, what kind of videos can I make? How's the stock market doing? I want to reply to more people, but I'm in class learning about different stuff. Got to finish my degree, put too much money into it now. I'm really close. I got 13 classes left, but it's just in my head. Which ticker did I add to the watch list? I just added AB. No, I didn't. Oh, AGTC. A as in apple, G as in golf, T as in toddler, C as in cat. Thank you. Appreciate it. Can you talk about Fubu? Good earnings, yet down big today. Yeah, they had good earnings. They're down huge. And I don't like Fubu just because they have some like crazy scandal going on right now. I don't like it. I sold out of my Fubu position at a 20% loss. I love INSG. I think it's going to be the best 5G play in the next couple of years. CNET I'm staying away from. Look it up. Yeah, look up Fubu bad news. It should come up. GSAT, I like it. VVPR, I like it long term. LKCO, staying away. ATOS, I love ATOS long term. How high is KMPH going to go? When you start asking yourself that question, you know it's time to start selling. I'm just letting you know that right now. Don't get too greedy. Best long-term stock, $100 to $300. I really think that XL is going to be one of the best long-term stocks in the market. It's sitting at $16.99, still going up. I think it's going to be a really good one. FRSX could be good. It's not the next Tesla, though. Just got rich on UWMC. I love to see it. Congratulations. Power of the short sellers. They can't do it forever, right? Turn, I like Turn. WNDW, I like WNDW. SNS, let's see. CNS, sorry. Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. I like it. I think it has pretty solid support at approximately 61.45, so it's looking pretty good to me. A little possibility of a dip, but overall, I think it's going to be a great long-term hold. Greed versus good. You're 100% right. Yes. AMC staying away. I love you too. Hope you guys are all doing great. I enjoyed vacation. Yep, I'm back. Yep, I loved it. It was fantastic. I haven't had a vacation in like 6 years, so really great time. I haven't seen my girlfriend's never seen my grandma. I got to do that there. I hadn't seen that grandparent in like 2 years, so it was really good to get away. Yo, what's going on, my dude from Canada, waking up in the morning to watch my live stream. I love you, brother. We got to play Rocket League later today. What do you think about Beetlejuice? I like Beetlejuice. ZNTE. Yeah, very interesting one. I have two of them. It's sitting at $10.54. An electric plane company rumored that they're going to merge with them down the road. If it does play out, it will be huge. People are talking about electric vehicles, batteries. They're not even thinking about planes. I expect to sell half my TYME at $5.50, and then I'm going to sell the other half at $8. STLA. Cat. Shh. stock. $17. You know, it looks pretty good to me. It bounced off really solid support, kind of a triple bottom out pattern here. Gotta love the short sellers making it go from 24 to 6 or 5 something. I love the stock, $17. It looks pretty good to me, and their EPS estimate, their earnings are today as well. Their estimate is 0.62 per share. I like the stock. I think it's going to have a good earnings call. I'm not buying lithium mining companies at the current moment. No, I'm not. HCMC, I don't like HCMC. It's that low for a reason, I'm telling you. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. QMCO, staying away. Hold on one second. Lemon. Sorry, my cat was on top of the fridge. You can't let that happen. OGEN, I like OGEN. I made my money on it already. I'm staying away. To where will NEO drop? I'm thinking the worst we see is $38. I do technical analysis on charts. I actually do it by video request. I do it on TikTok every time someone wants me to do one. They comment on one of my videos, hey Joey, can you do an analysis on boom? And then I do it. I actually did one day, I did stock analysis Saturday where I made more than 32 videos analyzing 32 different stocks on one Saturday. It was absolutely crazy. It took me about 19 hours to do. It was absolutely wild. People back in the day know about that. Good meow. Oh yeah, I gotta love the meows in the morning. The scratches at your feet to get you up. You gotta love it. They know what time to get up every day, trust me. LIFE, I'd stay away. UWMC, Joey, it went up, brother. Yes, it did. UWMC, congratulations to everyone holding it. Fantastic company. What happened to Rocket Mortgage yesterday? It was undervalued. It was bound to happen. I've been saying it for months. Rocket Mortgage is a great company. They basically monopolize the mortgage industry near Metro Detroit, and they're going to continue to do so for the whole entirety of their lifetime. Do you focus more on fundamentals or technical research? I do both. You had to do both. If you only did technicals, things like this, like the market crash, it's not market crash, market correction, things like this happen, and so it makes the technical just go completely out of the water, and so you have to make sure to do both. I think fuel cell are underperformed because energy is like gas and oil and stuff. Like, it's not in the now. They're not. We're going to be slowly moving away from that. Fuel cell is exactly the kind of investment that they want you to invest in because it went down from the highs so much that, oh yeah, they're going to get some of the pie. You're going to get in. It's going to go all the way back up to where it was. We're not going to be using oil. It's going down. Do you like the hippie lettuce? Don't know what that means. I mean, I do know what that means, but I'm going to pretend I don't know what that means. Oh, I love rally income. BTTR sleeper, yep. It's really easy to just say, hey, what other companies are going to go up like Rocket did yesterday? It takes time. It took more than 2 months from when I started calling Rocket for it to go up. And all the people during that time said, oh, the stock sucks, it never moves, doesn't go up, blah, 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 blah. And then they sell it, and then it goes up, and they say, oh, well, you called that 2 months ago. That doesn't count. But that's kind of how investing in stocks works, right? Price analysis, FSR. I'm staying away from FSR until the end of 2022 when they start production. It's going to be a great stock, but not yet. HCMC, staying away. It's too cheap for a reason. It's currently 9:25. I got to get out of here in 5 minutes to go to class, guys. I love every single one of you. Sell all my 22. I would sell all of them. What's the next TYME? The next TYME, it hasn't even happened yet. But XL, if you want to put one. Or ITRM. Yeah, FSR is doing great, but when they're not making cars until the end of 2022, you know they're not making money until the end of 2022. And if they're not making money until the end of 2022, it's an artificial pump on FSR to make it look appealing before the big drop when I will be getting in. JMIA, I love JMIA. 5-minute class. Oh, yeah, 5-minute class. Here we go. Market opens in 5 minutes. Oh, yeah, I have class. I have to, drive to class right after the market opens on Mondays and Wednesdays. Unfortunately. Thank you. Appreciate the bag, brother. Will Draftkings drop? I believe Draftkings will be $100 by the end of the NBA season. I've been saying this time and time again. People thought I was crazy. I see it happening. I do look at the market in class. I do. I'm not going to lie. Not going to lie. I listen to what they're saying, of course, but I look at the market in class, yes. Switch, I love Switch. Can I buy more TYME? You should, yeah. It's at a great buy point. I wouldn't take a loss on Neil. That's exactly what they want you to do. JMIA is the Amazon of, yes, basically. It's kind of hard to explain, but yeah, basically you can kind of say that. JMIA is a great stock. I don't like FUBU. Plug, like it. TYME has been bleeding the past month. All right. Let's get it, guys. Let's look at the chart here. So if we look at the chart here, the last month, right? Today's the 3rd, right? So on the 5th, a little less than a month ago, it went up to $4.92, and I was calling to buy it before that when it was at $1.76. It went down, people bought it $3 or $4, and they wanted to say it was my fault when it wasn't. And stocks that move up a lot, they're going to go up a lot, then they're going to go down a lot, and then they're going to go back up again once everyone sells. So you just got to stay in there. I like NEO. Good buy point. Oil isn't going anywhere. I 100% agree. XOM, I'm staying away. American Airlines, I'm staying away from all airlines till the end of 2021. Best stocks to buy right now. I actually just made a video about that yesterday. It has some fireworks on it. Go check it out. That's some of the stocks that you're sleeping on. So yeah, check out one of my videos. The one with the fireworks. It should be like the 3rd last video posted or something. I also posted the stocks that I think are going to underperform in 2021 as well. I don't like fuel cell. If you're up big on fuel cell, I would. One of my friends, he was up huge on Workhorse. I told him to sell at least half of its Workhorse, and he's like, I don't know, it might go up more. He decided to sell half, and he's more than happy that he did, trust me. I think the worst we'll see on NEO is about $38, but I did chart it out a little bit ago last night in one of my videos. Go make sure to check that out. It charted perfectly. I think we see the bottom right now on NEO. Yeah, my pleasure. I'll see you later. All right, it is 9:29 here. The market's about to open. We are currently at $5,975. Oh, $5,958 currently today. We are up 0.79%. A little bit of a chase of pace here today. Let's see that jacket, man. Oh, the stock Tic-Tac hoodie. This one. Boom, boom. How does charting indicate anything? Well, if you don't think charting indicates anything, then I don't know what to tell you. That's what I've been doing this whole time I've been making my channel. I have about 60,000 followers for a reason. It's not because, I pick bad stocks and they only go down, I wouldn't have that many followers for no reason. But I'm 22 years old. I am a senior at Grand Valley State University, going to the Seidman College of Business, majoring in marketing with an emphasis in sales, and a minor in advertising and public relations. So, yeah, I might look young, but one day you'll know who I am if you don't already. It indicates the psychology of the market. 100% it does. You're right about that. No. I'm not saying that, explain what charting is. Charting is it's just like the price movement of the stock. I'm not, trying to, come at you or anything. I'm just letting you know. A lot of people say that, charting doesn't, really necessarily mean anything. It doesn't always mean something, but it's definitely an indication of what's happening, and it's just the line that makes the price movement. That's what the chart is. You can make, different channels and stuff where it goes, where it bounces up and down. Not saying anything like that. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, you too. I think it's time to buy CCIV. I got to get going, guys. Got to go to my class. I love and appreciate every single one of you guys that came here today. I love every single one of you. Rad, thanks, my guy. Take a look at the chart, UWMC. I love UWMC. It's a great stock. I've been saying that. The biggest SPAC deal will get their time. Trust me. Make sure to do your own research. Stick to your plan. And as always, happy trading.